If you have Messenger app on your phone, consider to stay tuned to this video and see how to turn off message sharing with Meta AI on your Facebook Messenger app to protect your content, your photos, your video, your chat with your friends on your Facebook Messenger app. Let me show you how. First, open up your Messenger app. Having opened up your Messenger app, go ahead and select any contact you are chatting with. Having select contact you are chatting with, next thing you want to do right here is to simply go ahead and click on this particular icon from the top. Then it's going to take you right here. Scroll down right here. Continue to scroll down until you get to message permissions right here. Go ahead and click on that. That's going to take you right here. All you have to do is to simply turn off this toggle button right here. But once you turn this off, AI Meta will stop getting your chat, your photos, your video without any stress. And with that, you are protecting your content and your privacy, and likewise your media file you share with your friends in your Facebook Messenger chat. For more useful tutorial about privacy and security settings like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.